In this video, an elk makes a strange, yet frightening noise. This man has the whole backyard party setup figured out. This guy has balls of steel, falling from who knows how high.
3, 2, 1, see ya.
Check out the tumbleweed apocalypse. It looks like this cat has found itself a new home. Thanks for watching!